M0FXB. Welcome to my channel. So in this video we're just going to compare the RT Systems software with the ICOM software on the ICOM 705. So let's look at the RT Systems one first. And in reading the radio you literally just go communications, get data from radio. Give it a sec. Not sure why it's delaying today. And there you are. Turn the radio off, connect the cable and click OK and it reads it. Just using a micro USB cable. You don't have to buy a cable from RT Systems, although they do recommend you use their cable, but it's a micro USB. And if you look at the different settings, like the good thing about the RT Systems is every time you read from the radio you get a new tab, so your original settings are always there. You've got the radio menu settings here. All the fun, and it's extensive settings, that all these different pages, GPS, display, wireless LAN, it just goes on and on. It's very extensive settings there. Apply before you close. Then you've got file. You can use repeater book by going external data, repeater book, and you can put in a location, select which repeaters you want, and then you can select OK, and it will find a list of repeaters here for you, like that, and you can copy and paste them as well. Select all, look, right click, copy, and if we go back to our original channels, we could go to the bottom of the channels, click on the left here at the bottom, right click and paste. And look, we've got all our repeaters in there. And then to add a channel, very, very straightforward, easy. Now the upside to using a program like this is that you'll become very familiar, and then you can buy it for all kinds of radios, and you'll know what you're doing. So look, just tap on the frequency and just type the frequency, type the name, it's all there. If it's digital settings, that's different than analog, but that's your repeater there. You do have DR memories as well. If you click at there's tabs here at the bottom: memories, limit memories, DR memories, call contacts, and GPS memories which are not being used. Like so. You've also got sort options. If you go to edit, sort, you've got these sort options where you can sort things out. There's so many choices. And notice also if you go to settings, and then there's preferences, so that's going to show you different things that you want to see on screen and not see on screen. And then there's memory defaults. The important one, I think, is to select, where is it? I can't see it now. There it is, this little blue tick here. That makes sure that you open a new window when you read and write, just in case you make a mistake. You can save, you can import and export files just like you would with the ICOM software. So really overall it's just good. And then you've got these specific D-star settings. You've got D-star calculator. So wait, I'm not good at this. Watch the videos by RT Systems to let you know how to use all this, but you're selecting things and removing things and changing things. D-star settings here, that's your basics really, your message and your call sign, D-star columns as well. There you go. And it's just lots of stuff to play with. Now if you look at the ICOM software, it's also very, very good. So at the moment we're just selecting in the DR section of our program, and we're selecting the different groups with countries like so. Now if you go up to the top, my memory, then it's just, I haven't got hardly any memories in here, but look, it's so easy to add a memory. You just put the name in. Let's just put in one here, GB3WR, put your frequency in, 145.600, select if it's going to be FM, down like so. Now we want minus duplex, 600 shift we want. Now RT System does do a lot of that stuff for you. FM, tone squelch, we'll do for now 94.8. Find that here. Go across and you can set more. It's obviously different for digital, but you get the idea. Once you've done it, you just go clone and write to radio, write to transceiver. And there's my station details there, which seems to be blank. My call sign, text messaging, TX history, from DV, from FM. I know there's extensive GPS settings in this. DTF memory, so pre-programmed DTM. There's your DR mode settings. Repeater list, scan, my memory. It just goes on. So I think both softwares are very good. I think if you're using RT systems all the time and then you buy a new radio, you're going to be familiar. You're not having to relearn it. And I would say the same thing about DR radios. If you're used to DR radios like the ICOM 7100, 705, 52, then this is all going to look, the ICOM's going to look very familiar to you on both, when you're using both. So I do really like the RT systems, and for $25 download, I think it's worth it. I mean, in England, it costs £23 to buy it, and you've got it forever. And it is apparently it's transferable once. How do I know? Because I bought one, and the seller was able to do that, but only once, I think. And so you keep the receipt, put it in the box, and it's an additional thing that you can, if you ever sell the radio. So otherwise, it's just a quick overview. Thought I'd show you the 705 and the RT System 705. How do you get RT Systems? The ICOM is free, so you literally just go to ICOM and download, go to their site, and there's your ICOM download. I'll put a link in the description for that. And then RT Systems 705, just got RT Systems 705. Don't forget, they put a lot of work into it, and the support from RT Systems is amazing, literally amazing. Their support. Look, 25 or with a cable, 35. And that, so I'll put links in for that as well. So thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Let me know what your experience is, what you prefer to use. And catch you on air, 7-3. All the best.